How to replace pickup roller. If your printer is not picking up paper or requires multiple attempts to feed, you should check the paper pickup roller. As you can see, the printer is not picking up paper, so I will proceed to replace it with a new pickup roller. On both sides of the pickup roller, there are two plastic clips that hold it in place. Gently release these clips before removing the pickup roller. Using both hands will make the job much easier. In my case, I'm only using one hand because the other hand is holding the camera. This roller is already badly worn out, so it's time to replace it with a new one. Make sure to thoroughly clean the pickup roller area. And now I'm going to replace the pickup roller with a new one. After installing the pickup roller, insert the drum unit and toner cartridge back into the printer, then perform a test print to check the results. The printer is now picking up paper perfectly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to support me by subscribing to the channel, liking, and sharing. Also, leave a comment to let me know where you're watching from. Thank you very much.